Good evening, grade 8. Today, let's discuss the first lesson from your Algebra 1 book, 2.1 Modeling with Expressions. So you have the definition of terms there. What do you mean by expression, coefficient, terms, numerical, and algebraic expression? So let's start from letter A. Identify the terms and the coefficient of 8p, 2q, and 7r. So what are the terms and coefficients? When you say terms, they are the expression after being added, okay, or after every after operation. So which means the terms are 8p, 2q, and 7r. So there are three terms there. Okay, so when you say coefficient, it is the numerical factor of a variable term. So what are the coefficients here? Coefficients are the number in front of the variable. So you have 8, 2, and 7. They are the numerical coefficient. Okay, so you can try doing letter B and letter C. So every addition and subtraction, you have the terms. So there are three terms in letter A. Let's go to word problem. Tickets to an amusement park are $60 for adults and $30 for children. If A is the number of adults and C is the number of children, then the cost for A adults and C children is 60A plus 30C. As we're answering this, what are the terms of the expression? So separated by addition, so you have 60A and 30C. No need to put the plus sign because they're asking only for the terms. What are the factors of 60A? When you say factors, it is multiplication, right? So factors are 60 and A. And also here, factors of 30C, 30 and C. How about the coefficients of the expression? So the numerical coefficients are 60 and 30. Okay. Interpret the meaning of the two terms of the expression. So we're talking about the complete algebraic expressions. So let's have 60A plus 30C is the total cost of what? Okay, adult and understand my handwriting and children ticket. Okay, practicing my pen. Because 60A is for ticket per adult and 30C is the ticket per children or per child, I mean. So 60A plus 30C is the total cost of, forget the of, adults and children tickets. Okay, just write your handwriting neatly. Yeah, got it? Next, let's go to explain 1. Explain 1 is interpreting algebraic expressions. This is similar for what we did. This time there's a problem solving and they asked you to interpret each term and the whole algebraic expressions. So the given expression here is 1.49p plus 3.49q. What do you mean by 1.49p? So 1.49p represent what? The cost of p packages of crayons, or you could say that the coefficient represent the cost of one package of crayons, that is 1.49. So the cost of the packages will be 1.49p because we don't know how many packages. And one package is 1.49. And then for 3.49q, so you have 3.49q is the cost of q packages of markers. So, but then the cost of each package is 3.49. So when you interpret the entire algebraic expression, 1.49p plus 3.49q represents the total cost of p packages of crayons and q packages of markers. So if I asked you to identify each term, you have to write this one, and this one. But if I ask you to interpret the whole expression, you have to write in this form. Got it? Let me end first until explain 1 because my video will end here.